All right, welcome to a new daily recap. Been uploading a lot today. Got a breakdown on gold, got a breakdown on GU. I tried to do a breakdown on GJ, but I canceled that because it was horrible. I was literally staring at my screen like, what the fuck? So I just canceled that. I'm not gonna trade GJ. But welcome to EU. Took a loss this morning. Um, yeah, let's just break it down. Was quite valid setup, but yeah, nah. It was too minor maybe, but let's break it down. So I was looking for shorts from this area. I said like above here it's even better, and well, we got a sell probably from here, or I was looking for longs from here. Now we can make it a little bit cleaner. So it's a bit of a mess right now. Keep an eye out on the 50-minute closure. I said, and we closed actually pretty bullish, so I don't know why I listened. I didn't even listen. Keep in mind on the 50-minute bullish leg. So we had a, yeah, I don't know. It was, I don't know. And DXY, I said, so, I remember. So we came above, we took previous daily highs. We took Asia high. Early sellers coming up. That was my idea of early sellers. This moved down. And on the XY, we had this low, and this low was taken. I was like, all right, we might get a turnaround now and take Asia highs. So as we go lower, I was like, okay, what can we see? Well, you can see the slowdown here above Asia high. We know that we are in a deep discount or deep inside PY. We have this bearish leg. Overall, we had more liquidity to the downside over here, though it was not the cleanest. Like it was quite correctional, so I was hoping to see price coming below that and maybe take out these lows, but we respected it. Then going to the 1 minute. Why is it so slow today? Yesterday as well. Well, yes, it was really slow, but today it's just a little bit slow. And then I saw this happening. Price came up, and then this push down. And actually, I should have seen that. Like after push down, we got like this weak ass break to the downside. But I entered anyway because we had the early sellers here. We had this correctional way up. It was just I was like, all right, let's enter, and it just took me out. Then after that, we price came above here, and now we are above this high. So we can actually take this off. Take this off. So another pool of liquidity taken, and we now have my loss as the early sellers because we got the break to the downside. And then we are above previous daily highs, above Asia high, and above another, you say, above a liquidity pool, above an old high. And you actually get an entry here. And if you don't leave enough breathing room, it takes you out. But if you do leave enough breathing room, it gives you an entry, but doesn't like provide you with a great trade. So 379. It's 369. And yeah, nah. I was like, okay, now we are coming up. I don't want to be involved anymore because now I want to wait. How do you say that? There was like on the 50-minute, there was no indicating that we would move around from here. Looking at the XY, geez, it's really slow. And then the XY was just forming bear structure as well. So I was like, nah, no need to look for buys here. There's nothing here that indicates that we might move from here, though we have um this supply or demand area, but then we need like a proper 5-minute break. This is a 5-minute demand area, by the way. So on the 50-minute now. So I was like, nah, I don't want to be involved anymore. And what can we actually see? Price start to form nice bullish structure. And then we came above this one. And usually you would like maybe look for sells above this one. So I'm gonna break it down, but we can see that price also follow bullish structure. So we get a low, a high, a higher low, a higher high, higher low, and now a higher high. Now we are in this demand zone, and we might see continuation to take out these highs here. I don't know why this is not straight. Damn, why is it so slow? Come on. Let me close different screens here. I actually cleaned up my laptop. It's not that full. Hold up, let me check something. Empty this one. How about now? I don't know. Anyway, so we came above this high, and now I was like, okay, well, I wasn't there. I was at the gym, but now we broke bullish, so we are above a structural point. Now we can look for a turnaround. And now if we go lower again to like the 1 minute, we can see that we have structure up. And actually, if I let structure break finally, because we got this low leading to this high. So, and then this is a higher low and a higher high. And then we get our bearish break. Just about, but it is valid. Keep that in mind. A break is a break. As you can see, it's literally 0.1 pip. And if it isn't a break, it is a liquidity grab, so that's also fine. That's where an entry comes from. So we sweep this high over here. And then you're short 29, so 19 is quite large. There we go. And a 5.5 pip stop. And then you can target the liquidity. You can target the PY here. I don't know if you want to target 1 to 4. I don't know if it will reach 1 to 4. I would be very careful. Maybe take 1 to 3. And then it taps you out. So reduction, stop loss above here, continuation, break even, and it comes down up, and then so you would target this one, gives you 1 to 3. I would target this actually below here, maybe. Oh, it actually reaches there. To the T. So, but I don't know if you would get tagged by that because of the news impulse. But yeah, you would have been taken out anyway if you the break. So this break is reduced to here, then this break is reduced to here, and this break is reduced to break even. Break reduction. Yeah. Yeah, so nah. And then we got that. Okay. That up. But then we tap in. Price is building up liquidity over here to the upside. Then we get break. So we tap into this, we get our break, structure essentially. So this is the last high that's the low, early sellers here or early buyers. These are your early buyers. Yo, gotta go. Shit. We're done anyway, almost. So early buyers taken out, bullish break, and then you have your so this is where you might want to enter in there maybe. Let me check the 5-minute. Yeah, so this is the break. Quite a large stop. Long break above, and then oh, there you go. Wait, 62, 72 taps you in, but you have quite a large stop though. So 81, 8.7, and that's just following this most recent structure, and then 1 to 3 is to target this liquidity pool there, and that didn't play out yet, but it seems to be achieved as we got the correctional pullback. And we got news in a second, or did we already have news? No, I don't know. Or is it tomorrow? I can't remember. I will check out. But this is essentially your trade, and you're just still in the trade, and you just wait. All right, would you look for shorts is the question. Well, let me check that out real quick. Is there anything to short from? Well, no, because you got this liquidity pool here, and now we're coming up. You want just follow price action up to target this high, and essentially target previous weekly highs to take out this one. So nice long during New York, and with a beautiful 5-minute break entry. And yeah, that's basically it. So kom eraan. Ja. And then you get the, I don't know, I already said I'm coming. Why? Just have to call again. And then you get that bullish break. Yeah, so and I lost where I was. But anyway, that's the daily recap. For tomorrow, I will actually cover that now in the pre-market analysis. So we covered that. I still favor shorts, longs from here. If we get the chance, then yeah. Oh, I won't be trading tomorrow because I have to fly. So yeah. Yeah. All right, let's leave it. All right, peace out. Gotta go.